AI Spark Review 2024. How AI app Chatbot4 is harnessing WhatsApp's to billion users for ultimate sales success. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence and sales automation, AI Spark emerges as a revolutionary tool, leveraging the power of Chatbot4 and the vast user base of WhatsApp to redefine sales success. As businesses seek innovative ways to engage customers and drive revenue, the integration of AI-driven technologies with popular communication platforms presents unprecedented opportunities. What's AI Spark? World's first AI app creates Chatbot4-powered marketplace that leverages WhatsApp to billion users to sell with AI Chatbot. Create stunning AI-powered stores on top of WhatsApp in 30 seconds or less. Let AI find the perfect products for you, or add yours. Sell digital, physical, affiliate products or even a service. Deploy DFY chatbots that will talk to your customers and sell 24/7 on your behalf. AI lead sourcer that will give you active leads in any niche. Send unlimited broadcast messages to all your customers with one click. Integrate with your Autoresponder and build massive list one-click integration with all top payment processor. Built-in traffic feature for 100% free targeted clicks. No complicated setup. Get up and running in 2 minutes. Zero upfront cost. Understanding AI app Chatbot4. At the core of AI Spark lies Chatbot4, an advanced AI application renowned for its conversational abilities and natural language processing. Developed with cutting-edge technology, Chatbot4 seamlessly integrates with various platforms, including WhatsApp. This integration enables businesses to enhance customer engagement and drive sales effectively. The significance of WhatsApp's to billion users. WhatsApp boasts over 2 billion active users worldwide, making it a prime platform for businesses to connect with potential customers on a massive scale. With its widespread popularity and intuitive features, WhatsApp offers an ideal environment for conducting sales and marketing activities. Leveraging this extensive user base opens up endless possibilities for businesses to expand their reach and drive conversions. How AI Spark utilizes Chatbot4 on WhatsApp. AI Spark harnesses the power of Chatbot4 on WhatsApp to streamline sales processes and elevate customer experiences. Through personalized interactions and tailored recommendations, AI Spark engages users in meaningful conversations, guiding them through the sales journey seamlessly. Whether addressing inquiries, providing product information, or facilitating transactions, Chatbot4 empowers businesses to deliver exceptional service round the clock, fostering trust and loyalty among customers. Thousands are using AI Spark to create and run a profitable business. AI Reports Generator. Know exactly what is going on with your store and how much you are making every day. AI generates beautiful and easy-to-understand reports daily for us. Benefits of using AI Spark for sales success. The adoption of AI Spark offers numerous advantages for businesses aiming to achieve sales success. By automating repetitive tasks and providing instant support to customers, AI Spark enables companies to optimize resources and maximize efficiency. Moreover, its ability to analyze customer data and generate valuable insights empowers businesses to make informed decisions and adapt their strategies in real time, driving revenue growth and gaining a competitive edge. Challenges and solutions. While AI Spark presents significant benefits, businesses may encounter challenges during implementation. These challenges could range from technical issues to user acceptance. However, proactive measures such as comprehensive training programs and ongoing support can mitigate these challenges, ensuring a smooth transition and maximizing the benefits of AI Spark for sales success. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the future of AI Spark appears promising, with continued advancements in AI technology set to unlock new opportunities for sales and marketing. As AI algorithms evolve, AI Spark will continue to deliver personalized and immersive experiences for users. With a focus on innovation and customer centricity, AI Spark is poised to shape the future of sales strategies and redefine success in the digital age. Conclusion. In summary, AI Spark represents a revolutionary approach to sales enablement, leveraging WhatsApp's to billion users for unparalleled success. Through its integration with Chatbot4, AI Spark empowers businesses to engage customers effectively, drive conversions, and foster lasting relationships. As businesses embrace AI Spark, they pave the way for a future where sales success knows no bounds. Facts. Frequently asked questions. Is AI Spark compatible with other messaging platforms besides WhatsApp? Yes. AI Spark seamlessly integrates with various messaging platforms, offering businesses flexibility in their sales efforts. Can AI Spark adapt to different industries and business models? Absolutely. AI Spark is highly customizable and adaptable, making it suitable for businesses across diverse industries. How does AI Spark ensure data privacy and security for users. AI Spark prioritizes data privacy and security, employing robust encryption protocols and compliance measures to safeguard user information. What kind of support does AI Spark offer for businesses during implementation and beyond? AI Spark provides comprehensive training, onboarding, and ongoing support to ensure a seamless integration and maximum benefit for businesses. Is AI Spark suitable for businesses of all sizes? Yes. AI Spark caters to businesses of all sizes, offering scalable solutions tailored to meet their specific needs and objectives.